Hey guys, Pet1979 here. Just gonna do some testing on my new lawnmower that I got in a combo kit. So this is the Ryobi P1100, if I'm not mistaken. So let me just go double check on the P1100. So 18 volts. So you guys can see the number right there. So you guys see that? Alright, so this is the size of my yard. So I mean, this is the front lawn, so there's a little bit going on the side of the house right there. Whoops. On the side of the house. Sorry, I'm bumping the tripod here. So let's go look at the back here. How much lawn I need to cut. So yeah, this is my yard. So not super big. So hopefully one battery should be enough to be able to cut that. So let's place you guys back down on the tripod and let's start mowing. So don't worry, I'll cut the video so it's not too long. I'm gonna do a little bit of editing here. So alright, so that's pretty good. Let's start it up. Do it up. Skunk that's making a hole in my yard like crazy. I mean, Hi guys, so you've seen the size lawn that I did. So this one is blinking on one, so it was on his last stretch. So this one is dead, totally dead. So not even a peep on the battery. So yep, doubt I can do some mowing with it. I mean some weed whacking with the rest, but I did my entire property. So you know, I don't have a lot, but I did the entire one on 2 batteries. So now I need to wait like 4 hours for at least 2 hours for one to recharge, and another 4. So you guys can see, give you a quick demo on how the 11. So the way it's working, the 2 batteries are connected. So basically this is, I believe 18 volt, but it is running in the series. So it's like a 8 amp hour battery in series or in parallel, I don't remember. So but it basically turns the 4 amp hour battery pack into an 8 amp hour battery pack. So that's why you need both batteries, because just one battery you're not gonna do anything. So I probably will try to run it with one battery in the future just to see if it works. So on either one of the 2 ports I'll try to use it like that, but right now my 2 batteries are dead, so I need to go put them on a charger. And yeah, I did my entire property, so I did the front and the back. So yeah guys, so this is the Ryobi P1100. So alright guys, correction. So had enough power. Actually I had one battery that was blinking on that kit, so I had enough power. So I had two blinking lights, just one, one blinking lights and one, now it's difficult to see, but still have 1 bar and it's not blinking. So you guys probably won't be able to see it, but still 1 bar and not blinking. So I've managed to finish up and did some edge trimming around the rest of my the corners and stuff. So guys, 2 batteries, I have enough to do my entire yard, so that's pretty good, I would say. So I'm just gonna finish up, do a little bit of trimming, just let you guys watch for a little bit with the trimmer. So guys, so far so good. Still got a little bit of power. I'm gonna put the blower attachment now, the leaf blower, and just gonna blow some of that grass off and just clean it and make it all nice. So that'll be for our next video for the trimmer and for the rest, but still you know, impressive. It's the first charge, so it's not full capacity yet on the battery, so I managed to do a little bit of trimming. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Like I said, if you give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright guys, for the Ryobi video, I'm gonna have to end it in a different way. So, alright, so basically I've been using the 2 batteries on the mower, and for whatever reason, one was blinking at some point. Now it was 3 lights, now it's back to 4 lights. I've put it on a charger, it was like 1 bar blinking, put it on a charger, and I came back just 5 minutes later using the remainder of the other battery, and it was like fully charged after 5 minutes. So I mean, is it like draining too hard, too fast, and it's getting back power? Because right now I've been back outside with this one that is 4 bars, and I've been doing the rest of the trimming and the blower seems to have plenty of power. So I don't know, maybe the battery's draining too quick or something, or the discharge rate is, you know, on FPV, on quadcopters, if you give it a peak of power and the voltage is going to dip for a little bit, then it's going to come back up when you let the battery rest. So if you pull too much juice from the battery, it's going to drain, but it's going to show lower voltage, then it's going to go back up. So yeah, so apparently one battery was enough. I'm gonna have to do some more testing, but if that's the case and one battery is enough to do the entire yard, which is the lawnmower, and after that I could take the other battery. So basically I just need to let it rest and see which one has the most power between the two. But I would have enough to do the trimming with the trimmer and a little bit of blowing around for the grass on the ground and stuff. So like the blower doesn't have any power, so the trimmer is fine for light trimming. It's not, you know, gonna do some big bush, big grass, just light trimming, just, you know, the remaining grass around the house that the mower couldn't take because it's too close to the house or something. But yeah, but the that was surprising. That's why I'm ending the video this way, because when I put it back on the charger to charge it, after 5 minutes it was like back to full power. So I don't know, maybe the battery dipped, the voltage dipped too low, but the capacity was still there, or there's something wrong with the battery. But it has plenty of power for the blower and the trimmer. So gonna have to do some more testing on this, guys, and I come back to you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It did a pretty good job. The mower did hit a few pieces of plastic that were you know, in the grass from guys from the power company coming to change some of the in the winter, coming to change some of the power line, because if we had an ice storm and, you know, the power line just blew up and catch fire and all that stuff. So anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated, but as of now, I did my entire yard trimming, lawn mowing, and a little bit of blowing for making it all clean and nice. So you guys saw the property, you guys will see in the video how big it is. So you guys be the judge if it is something you would be interested in. So, but as of now, you know, not bad, I say. I'm gonna still have to do some testing this summer, but the tools are gonna stay in the shed, all my tools, but except for the batteries and charger, I'm gonna leave that inside, because first of all, it could be useful for if I get some power tools for it, or if you know, you just want to keep the battery cool, because if you get it hot, there's a little computer chip inside that's going to say the battery's overheating and the tool's going to stop working. So keep it nice and cool inside, so when you're ready to use it, just take it outside, plug it in your power tool, and you're ready to go. So at least the battery are going to be cool, and they're going to give you a little bit more runtime without overheating. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. I have some editing to do to make this video a little bit more watchable. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Catch you guys on the next one.